All Parties Hurriyat Conference has called upon the UN Secretary General António Guterres to urgently intervene for the settlement of Kashmir dispute to avert a big nuclear catastrophe in the South Asia region. APHC spokesman in a statement issued in Srinagar warned that continued ignorance of the Kashmir dispute coupled with massive human rights violations at the hands of Indian occupation forces in the territory has increased the stake of a nuclear war in the region. Twitter users from 3 countries, India, US and UK, generated 86% of malicious online content between 2017 and 2019, leading to physical attacks on Muslims and mosques. TRT World quoted the study by the Islamic Council of Victoria as having said, according to Kashmir Media Service, Twitter users in India contribute to 55.12% of anti-Muslim content on the microblogging site. A study tapping into Islamophobia online has revealed. 2 Indian paramilitary Central Reserve Police Force personnel were injured as one of their rifles went off in Poonch district on Thursday. A sub-inspector and a constable of CRPF who were deployed near Poonch College in the main town were injured in the gunfire. A massive protest march led by the President of Indian National Congress chapter in occupied Kashmir, Waqar Rasoolwani, and Working President Raman Bhalla was taken out in Rajouri town. Speakers on the occasion, Waqar Rasoolwani said the Congress is successfully fulfilling the initiative it has taken to remove the policies of fear and pressure of the BJP from the minds of the people. Kashmir Day was observed in Peterborough city of the UK under the auspices of Tehreek-e-Bedari Kashmir. According to Kashmir Media Service, participants were apprised of the ongoing atrocities by the Indian troops in the occupied Kashmir. Chairman Tehreek-e-Bedari Kashmir, Ijaz Shaikh, conveyed the problems faced by the people of the occupied Kashmir to the top officials of the United Nations. A 28-year-old man was found dead under mysterious circumstances in Tengar-Nogam area of Srinagar early Thursday morning, as the body of the man, identified as Suhail Rahman Beg, reached his residence in Nawab Bazar, Srinagar. A pall of gloom descended the entire area.